Aloha! I'm Tom Coach, the co-author of the Hawaiian-Style Musubi Cookbook and inventor of the Mobetta 9-cavity musubi maker. Today I'm going to share with you one of my recipes. It's called Uncle Tom's Yummy Chicken. It's a fried chicken recipe that's very easy to make and very yummy. So let me show you how I do it. This recipe just uses a few quality ingredients like salt, cornstarch, milk, egg, garlic powder, all-purpose flour, Italian-style breadcrumbs, machiko flour, Kelrose rice, and fresh chicken breasts. I like to use split breasts and debone them myself. I feel as if it is fresher that way. This recipe provides enough batter and breading for about 3 large breasts. It's also a great recipe for chicken nuggets. Prepare the batter by beating 1 egg. Add 3/4 cup milk. Add 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Add 6 tablespoons of machiko flour. Mix well. Add your cut chicken to the marinade batter. Prepare the breading by adding 1 cup of flour. Add 1 cup of Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Coat the battered chicken in flour and breadcrumb mixture. It's best to do this on the side of the deep fryer. Deep fry the coated chicken in canola oil at 320 degrees for about 4.5 minutes or until golden brown. Remove the fried chicken and place on a paper towel. Fill your musubi mold with rice to approximately 1 inch high when it's pressed down. Add a piece or two of chicken on top of the bed of rice and then wrap it with nori. And there you have it. A yummy chicken musubi. So ono. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I really hope you enjoy the food. We'd appreciate any comments or a like for our video. Mahalo for stopping by.